In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the footer color in the Dawn theme on Shopify. Now, this can be a really great way to customize your online store's appearance and make it feel more aligned with your brand identity. So let's dive right into the process to ensure you get exactly the look you want with ease. First, let's start by navigating to the Shopify admin dashboard, which is essentially your control room for your online store. Once you're there, you want to locate the option called Online Store on the left-hand sidebar. Go ahead and click on that. This will lead you to the Themes section, where all the magic happens for styling and designing your storefront. Now, since we're focusing on the Dawn theme today, make sure it's set as your current live theme. You'll likely see it right at the top of your list if you're already using it. Next to Dawn, you should see a button that says Customize. Click this to open up the theme editor, which allows you to make changes to various parts of your store's design. Once you're inside the theme editor, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here, you'll find a list of sections that comprise your website, much like chapters in a book. The section we're interested in today is the footer, as that's where we're going to be making these color changes. Find the footer option and give it a click. After selecting the footer, keep an eye out for options related to colors. More specifically, you might see terms like colors, color scheme, or possibly even footer if it dives straight into that section. This area is where you'll find the controls to adjust the color settings for the footer. With the Footer tab open, locate something labeled Color Scheme. This will give you the flexibility to edit the footer's color to your liking. Once you've found it, go ahead and select it. From there, you'll be able to experiment with different color options, perhaps selecting a color that matches your brand's palette or picking a shade that complements the rest of your site's design. When you're satisfied with your choice, make sure to hit that Save button to ensure all your hard work doesn't go to waste. If these steps are available in your theme settings, congratulations. You've found the easiest and safest way to adjust the footer colors without having to dive into the code. This method keeps things simple while also protecting your store against any potential coding mishaps. And that's all it takes to change your footer color in the Dawn theme using the built-in theme settings on Shopify. Customizing your store just got a whole lot easier, right? Remember, thoughtful design choices can make a big difference in how your customers perceive and interact with your online store, so it's great to take advantage of options like this. Thank you for watching, and happy customizing!